Welcome back to our channel. Today we will explore how to use cryptocurrency in your everyday life. First, you can use cryptocurrency for online purchase. Many regulators accept Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies as payment. For example, websites like Overstock and Navage allow you to buy product directly with crypto. Next, travel companies are starting to accept cryptocurrency. You can book flights and accommodation using crypto on platforms like Travala. This makes it easier to travel without worrying about currency exchange rates. You can also use cryptocurrency for everyday expenses. Some apps allow you to pay bills or transfer money to friends using crypto. This can be particularly used for those you want to keep the transaction private. In conclusion, cryptocurrency into your daily life can open your new opportunities. From making purchases at local shops to using it for online transactions, the versatility of crypto is expanding. As small businesses start accepting cryptocurrencies, you'll find it's easiest to use them for everyday expenses. Additionally, consider exploring decentralized finance options for saving and investment. Embracing this technology can help you stay ahead to a rapidly changing financial landscape. The future of finance is here, and it's time to make it work for you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.